Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be going through the topic anthropometry from pediatrics. This is an important topic for Viva Voce and NEET PG. I'll be going through 4 parameters: weight, height, head circumference and chest circumference, and will end with important high yield topics and repeated questions. So do watch the video till the end. Firstly, weight. The normal weight at birth is 2.5 to 4 kg. This is for a full term normal delivery. So what if a child is born at 28 weeks? The normal weight is 1 kg. This is the previous NEET PG question. So weight of a child at 28 weeks gestation is 1 kg. Pattern of increase of weight. First 3 months, the weight increases by 30 grams per day. 3 to 6 months, it increases by 20 grams per day. For 6 to 9 months, it increases by 15 grams per day. And 9 to 12 months, it increases by 12 grams per day. This is for when the birth weight of the child is known. So what do we do if the birth weight of the child is not known? There are 3 formulas. For first year, the expected weight of a child is 9 plus A divided by 2, where A is the age of the child in months. For 1 to 6 years, expected weight is 2A plus 8, where A is age in years. And for 7 to 12 years, expected weight is 7A minus 5 divided by 2, where again A is age in years. Now example, a 5-month-old baby. How do you calculate the expected weight? The formula is 9 plus A divided by 2. So 9 plus 5 divided by 2, which is equal to 7 kg. So normal weight of a child of 5 months is 7 kg. Coming to the second example, a 5-year-old baby. Expected weight formula 2A plus 8. So 2 into 5 plus 8 equal to 18 kg. And lastly, for an 11-year-old boy, the formula expected weight equal to 7A minus 5 divided by 2. So 7 into 11 minus 5 divided by 2. So expected weight would be 36 kg for an 11-year-old child. Now coming to height. Normal height at birth is 50 centimeters. Again, pattern of increase of height. First 3 months, it is 3 centimeter per month. 3 to 6 months, 2 centimeter per month. 6 to 9 months, 1.5 centimeter per month. And 9 to 12 months, it is 1.2 centimeters per month. Any one of the 4 could be asked as a potential question. Beyond 1 year, from 1 to 12 years, expected height, the formula is 6A plus 77 centimeter, where again A is the age of the child in years. For example, a 5-year-old child, expected height would be 6 into 5 plus 77, which would be 107 centimeter. Now, very important fact from height is a height doubles at 4 years. Coming to head circumference, normal head circumference at birth is 35 centimeter. So normal height was 50 centimeter, normal head circumference is 35 centimeter, which is 70% of the height. This is known as head sparing effect. So maximum blood supply in the womb goes to the head. That's why normal head circumference is 70% of height. Pattern of increase of head circumference. First 3 months, it increases by 2 centimeters per month. 3 to 6 months, it increases by 1 centimeter per month. And 6 to 12 months, it increases by 0.5 centimeters per month. So if you start at 35 centimeters and you add 2, 1 and 0.5 centimeters for the given pattern, by 1 year the head circumference would reach 47 centimeters. So this is another question. What is the normal head circumference of a child at 1 year of age? It is 47 centimeters. Now what after 1 year of age for head circumference? At 2 years, the normal head circumference is 49 centimeters. So from first to second year, it only increases by 2 centimeters. At 3 years, the normal head circumference is 51 centimeters. Again, it increases by 2 centimeters. And from third to fourth year, it increases by 1 centimeter. So again, another question. What is the normal head circumference of a child at 4 years of age? It is 52 centimeters. Coming to the last parameter, there is only two important facts in this. What is the normal value of chest circumference at birth? It is 32 centimeters. And a question which is always repeatedly asked in NEET, AIIMS and JIPMER in all exams is, when does head circumference become equal to chest circumference? Answer is 1 year. This is a very famous Viva question too for university exams. So head circumference becomes equal to chest circumference at 1 year. Now coming to some high yield facts and repeated questions. Now we know that the normal weight of a child at birth is 2.5 to 4 kg. So what would be the definition of low birth weight baby? It is less than 2.5 kg. But in India sometimes less than 2 kg is accepted. First question, very low birth weight is baby less than 1.5 kg. Extremely low birth weight is less than 1 kg or 1000 gram. Normal weight 2.5 kg, very low birth weight 1.5 kg, and extremely low birth weight 1 kg. Birth weight doubles at 5 months. We know the height doubles at 4 years and weight doubles at 5 months. Normal weight of an infant at 1 year from birth is tripled. This is the previous AIIMS question. At what age in years does a child attain a height of 100 cm? Answer is 4 years. This is another way to put the question, the when does height double? So the normal height at birth is 50 cm. So a height of 100 cm is seen at 4 years. And lastly, height of a newborn doubles at 4 years. Again, we see the same question. So all these are repeated questions. So thank you everyone. I've covered all points from the topic anthropometry. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content.